Hey, it's Erin. I wanted to do a quick tutorial on vacuums. And no, I'm not talking about house cleaning. I'm talking about the king of all abs exercises, the vacuum. Now, there are several reasons for wanting to perform vacuums and to become proficient at them. The first is that you can decrease your waist circumference, and a lot of times by an inch or two. And who wouldn't want to do that? You'll also be able to improve your core strength. This can lead to injury prevention. And the last reason is that it really helps with waist control. So if you find yourself kind of letting it hang out, then vacuums are a great way to prevent that. Now, vacuums are training the TVA or transverse abdominis. And this muscle actually runs horizontally and acts as an internal girdle. So it's almost like an internal waist trainer. And the TVA sits directly behind the rectus abdominis, which is the six pack. So we're training that musculature under the six pack. And this is, again, really great for core strength, stability, and waist reduction. Now, the vacuum can be hard to really master, so I've gone ahead and broken it down into a progression. You're going to want to do this first thing in the morning, right when you wake up, 2 to 3 times per week. Now, without further ado, let's do some vacuums. The easiest way to get started with vacuums is supine. So you want to lay on the floor with your back flat to the ground, knees up, feet flat. You're going to blow out all of your air, close your airway, and think about pulling that belly button to the backbone. Now in this position, gravity is really going to help you. You're going to hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. And as you get started, you're going to perform 2 to 3 sets of this. You can move up to 3 to 5 sets. Don't move to the next step until you've become proficient with the supine version. We're going to move on to step 2, which is quadruped or on hands and knees. Same idea. You want to think about blowing out all of your air, closing your airway, and pulling your belly button to your backbone. Now really think about becoming proficient at this step before moving on to the next one. So this is really about mastery at each position. You want to have a slight round to the lower back. This is going to help with that contraction. Now, as you've mastered the first 2 steps, we're going to move to kneeling. Now, you want to get that lower back round, exhale all of your air, and pull your belly button to your backbone and hold it. And during each one of these variations, I'm not breathing at all, but if you want to hold it for a bit longer, you can do shallow breaths. I'm going to take a few deep breaths. Here's another angle. Round that lower back. Inhale deep, exhale, and pull that belly button to the backbone and hold it. You can also think about taking a deep breath, but you've closed your airway. So this is going to help really pull up that diaphragm and pull the belly button to the backbone. Now, the last step, and this is really full mastery of the vacuum, is standing. You can perform them anywhere, but you still want to have a little bit of a round to that lower back. This is going to allow you that really strong contraction. Again, breathe out all of your air and pull your belly button into your backbone. And now once you become proficient at standing, again, you can do this anywhere. You can move around, you can do a little twist, you can pull that vacuum, and you can hold it. You can also perform vacuum crunches, and it really helps with that core strength, stability, and decreasing waist circumference. But it's not easy, but it's worth it. So now you know how to do the vacuum. Get out there and practice, practice, practice. If there's something specific you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments below. And please consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join the Fit Fam. I also have a new app out. It's called Be a Fit by Erin Stern. I'll leave a link in the description below. Code GETFIT is good for 25% off your first month. Thanks for watching. Until next time, train smart and train hard, y'all.